Lars-Åke Grundmark, CEO VA Automotive. Who are you?
I'm a person who really have a great interest in boating and marine. I like to always bring my dog beside me when I'm away, and I love to be a chef and to cook, make good food.
Okay. And more professionally, what's your background?
Long experience from the automotive industry. I've been employed by Volvo for 20 years of time. Long tradition in development area of new vehicles. I've also spent 10 years outside Volvo in the leisure industry as production manager and development manager for a motorhome, sub-supplier for motorhome industry and caravan industry.
Mm-hmm. And what are your primary goals for the automotive?
In 2 years' time, we shall have a yearly turnover of approximately 1 billion Swedish crowns. We have been growing through acquisition of new companies. We have added new companies to our group, and we are acting as a global supplier for our customers.
Mm. In your communication, you talk about one-stop shop for the automotive industry. Could you please explain a bit more what you mean with that expression?
One-stop shop is really an important expression. The background for that is that we shall always in VA Automotive be able to be a complete supplier and supply our customers with a complete offer, all the way from the very early stages in a project where we support in product development, validation and verification of products, all the way along up to serial production and running production of components and subsystems for maybe for the automotive industry or other engineering industry.
Mm. And how do you regard the future of the automotive industry? Will there be an automotive industry in a couple of years?
There will for sure be an automotive industry, but I can also see in front of me some sort of change in this business, where the way we as consumers are using a car in the future. Today we traditionally we drive the car by ourselves. I'm quite sure that in a couple of years' time we will more and more see autonomous driving, meaning cars that drives for themselves, where you are passive as a passenger or driver in this car. For sure there is a future for the automotive industry, but it will change.
And is there a possibility for something new for your business group in that transformation of the industry?
There are for sure, and it's really important for us that we continue now to follow the development of the automotive business, and that we always reflect and that we can develop new offers for our customers.
But is there a possibility to be competitive as a Swedish company in this global industry?
Swedish companies and sub-suppliers for the OEMs must always be prepared to follow the OEM. We must be prepared to act globally, to be located where our customers are established. For instance, if Volvo are planning to build a car model in USA, we will have to also establish a plant for supply components to Volvo in the USA. That's really important for any sub-supplier in this business.
Do you also see possibilities outside the automotive industry?
For sure we do, and that's also a very clear target that we have, that we shall spread out the risks, not be dependent on only automotive customers. It's a clear goal for us that we shall also have a certain % of our production for customers outside the automotive industry.
So where will VA Automotive be in 10 years' time?
In 10 years' time, VA Automotive will be a global supplier for its customers, and we have followed our customers and are supplying locally.
Sounds great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.